Charlie, you have the hiccups? You do? Say, Grandma, I got the hiccups. Yeah. Hey, Mom, I got the hiccups.